Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Do the Work. Here we're going to switch things up and focus on a real world problem. And this is a personal problem for me because we have to do laundry downstairs in the building and we have to pay $1.50 for each laundry load. And today we ran out of loonies. We had a bunch of quarters, but no loonies, so we had to go to Subway and exchange money for loonies so we could finish our laundry loads. So I want to challenge you to solve my problem. So given that it cost $1.50, $1.02, and this is specific because the laundry machine has specific slots, so you can't put 6 quarters. It would have to be $1, a loonie, and 2 quarters for each load of laundry. And my question is, how many loonies and quarters should you get at the bank if you want to exchange $45? And obviously you could do 45 loonies and that would work, but it's not useful because I can't do laundry without quarters. So I want to optimize or maximize the amount of laundry loads that I would do with $45. So you need to find the optimal amount of money and coins that you would tell the teller at the bank to exchange your $45 for. To answer this question, I actually built this Desmos calculator. I put the link in the description below. If you're curious, you can play around with it and see how it's built. And note that it wasn't built for phones, so it will look weird on your phone, or most likely will. So I would encourage you to open it in your browser, internet browser. Here we have the cash total to be exchanged. So that would be the money you're going at the bank with. So it says slide the red point. We can slide it between 0 and 100. I picked those numbers just arbitrarily, so it could be anything, but you can't go under 0, and not many people would go at the bank with $100 of that they want in change. For our problems, it was $45. So I'll leave it at 45. The next thing we need to tell the calculator is the price per load. And I assume that it's only in loonies and quarters, but you could change the calculator to fit your needs as well. And here it's $1.50, so that would be $1 and 2 loonies. And the answer to our question is, it would be $30 in loonies, $15 in quarter, with no money left over. So that would be $30 in loonies, that's 30 loonie coins. And $15 in quarters, that's 4 quarter per dollar. So that would be 15 times 4, which is 60 quarters that you would get. So that solves our problem. Some interesting facts here is that you're always going to have leftover when the number is not divisible by 3. But if you look when the number is 21, for example, then you would get 14 and 7 and 0 left over. But as soon as you move away from numbers that are divisible by 3, then you're going to have a leftover. And here it's 0, 18 is divided by 3 is 6. So it's always going to work. So that's one interesting fact. And just to dig in a little bit how I did it here, I just create a slider and then I create an input display. So that's for the lines, the points. I won't go too much in detail here. I'll let you explore with that, and will do further videos on how to use Desmos in depth, and then just a similar output display with the text here. This is a pretty advanced dashboard, although it doesn't take long to create once you know what's going on. And the results section is just a math of what I did. There's probably a smarter way to do it. I just didn't really care. I just wanted to get it done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you did in the comment. Hit the subscribe button, the like button. That's the best way to support the channel. And let me know what you thought. And as always, remember to keep doing the work.